Number 2 on highlight video.
My 4th favorite hike is going. Fell off the mountain.
I need a picture of these.
That's a nice ass got there.
All right, guys, it's that time of day where you gotta go. Wait a minute, start over. What am I trying to say? And today we're in Cataloochee. We're gonna do Does this tree make my butt look big?
Oh shit.
Don't come and date it.
Y'all stay salty.
You know, you gotta go back to it again.
Yeah, that's right. Oh my.
She's still in high school. or, at least,
Robbing the cradle.
or at least she acts like it sometimes. Oh Lord. Oh God.
We are.
All right.
Have a cure what ails you.
Yeah. Here goes.
This is pretty much how the whole trail has been today. It's been very interactive and lots of trees. It's been fun.
I can't get through.
It's rough walking through this snow. Can't go 3 miles an hour.
Yeah, not gonna.
Go. Beautiful. Get hurry. Oh man.
It is September the 16th, and most of the national park is closed.
All of it.
All of it is closed. Yeah. Trail got a bug in my eye. So we found a yellow jacket nest not long ago.
He did.
And doesn't feel very good. Should be a mark here, and I've got one on my arm.
It didn't make it. Excuse me for a minute.
All right, supposed to go to Cleveland's Dome. Cleveland's Dome.
No.
Cleveland's Dome.
No.
You leave her here, I'll leave you here.
I didn't leave her here.
Okay.
Limit. You came up behind me a whole lot faster than 35.
I'm sorry.
Where y'all headed to today?
Hiking.
Yep, you guessed it. Johnny on the trail. He's still on the trail. Let's get this pack. Get those keys. Get out of here. I know she gave me the keys. Oh my God, where'd the keys go? Are you serious? Just kidding. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light.
Are you videotaping?
I might be videotaping your big old booty right here in my face. What are you doing?
Shake, shake,
Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Action 2. Hi, we're at campsite 41. All right. I'll break down the description.
Pooping in the woods. Do you have her?
I just
Do you
thought I'd
have a
rather,
mini poop? Do you squat? Do you
I'd rather
hold
go
your
sit
leg
there.
up? This is so cool. This is like... There's a dead hiker. Shit!
All right, we've hiked out of the burn area, and at least it's bored or sleepy.
I just took my headband off too.
That is good. If y'all had a device.
Okay.
Okay, here he goes. Here he goes. Go! He's a little nervous. I guess it's a good thing you don't have a big pack, Barry.
Yeah.
That's what she said. Oh, watch your head. Need a helmet to hike this trail.